2 of my Fairfax Favor Christmas Advent Calendar. I could not be feeling more festive. Last night, I did sing a Christmas carol. It is the season, and I'm thrilled that it is day 2. Are you ready to see what's in box number 2? I certainly am. How glorious, how festive, how wonderful. One thing I will never tire of is the packaging from Fairfax Favor. It's the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is it? I think I know what it is. I love them! These are so chic. I love them so much. I bought them for my mum and my auntie a couple of months ago. Time for me to style these bad boys up. I mean, I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but this is quite an epic outfit. I feel so luxe, but elevated casual. I'm going really neutral, but really elevating it with these beautiful trainers. I feel really good. I've got to run some errands today. This is just a little reminder that Fairfax Favor are celebrating the festive season by giving away £15,000 worth of special prizes as part of their 12 Days of Christmas virtual Advent Calendar, which is my friend here. So for your chance to win, all you need to do is sign up on the website. It's so easy. The link is in the caption. I'm going to see you tomorrow for day 3, which I'm so excited about. Ciao, ciao. I'm off to run some errands.